Hi everyone, seeing that we are going into the holidays, I have decided I am going to do something for my fireplace that I want to make um, just for as part of decorations for Christmas and everything. I've decided I'm going to use an take that out of the way. A normal floor tile. It's a little bit rough, yeah, on the surface. That's what I like because then things stick together nicely. It's a normal floor tile or a wall tile that I am going to spice up a little bit today. Like I said, it's gonna be like I'm gonna do a little Christmas theme. I've got these little this little flower here. I've got 3 little bows here that I'm gonna use. Then I've got I've got this little packet from my niece actually. This is little Christmas stickers that I'm gonna use, that I'm gonna place on here. And also this one has 4 little, it's got a little thing that says Happy Holidays. I'm gonna put this in the center. And then this I'm gonna decorate on a later stage. That would be another video. Is these little Christmas bells that I'm gonna use for the Christmas tree. So that like I said, these will be another project, another video for making Christmas decorations for your Christmas tree. Homemade is always nice. It's always relaxing. So let's place this one out of the way. And what also came in that little packet with those is all these different little types of paper. I am definitely going to use them and make little Christmas cards or present cards, actually, and a little name tag. You just cut it out and write somebody's name at the back or something like that. That will be used for another video as well. So what we know, and then I'm gonna also use a little bit of different, I've got some flowers, how I plan this out. I am not gonna paint this. I am actually just gonna leave it like it is because the color of the tile brings out the, yeah, it says Happy Holidays. I would prefer if it said Merry Christmas, but yeah, but we are gonna place them. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm already starting to plan out. I think I must put these little bows here at the bottom. Yeah, I'm gonna put these little bows here at the bottom because I am going to use some kind of stand for letting this stand upright on the fireplace. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one in the corner here. It is kind of a Christmassy theme. Just gonna use the glue gun, and I'm just gonna put some glue here so that we can glue it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick this one nicely here in the corner, like that. And then, like I said, I'm gonna use these, I'm gonna put these little bows, I'm gonna put them here at the bottom. So stick that one. One goes there. That one in the middle. just quickly put another glue stick in here. And then this one I'm going to put here. That's a nice thing about handmade. It's not always perfect. And that is what's making it so nice. Is you don't need to be 100% perfect. So what I'm now going to do is okay, I'm not going to use the Happy Holidays. I've decided not to because on the stickers it says Merry Christmas, Joy to the World, Peace on Earth, Jingle All the Way, Joy to the World, Merry Christmas. I am going to use those, and then I'm going to use these little ones here with the little angels and the little present and the little elves. Let me just open it up. This is from Fab Scraps. We buy it here at our local arts and craft shop. And then I'm going to just take this one out of the packet as well. Yeah, it's just little stickers that I am going to use all over the place. So I'm going to, it says easy peel. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Ah, it looks nice. This one has it's a little bluish sticker. It's gonna look, actually, yeah, you can see it through the tile. It looks nice. That one there. I'm just gonna place them all over the place because, like I said, this is just for my fireplace that I am going to use it. I'm going to place this little man, I'm going to put in the middle here. My little angels. The Happy Holidays one I will decorate as well with the bells in the next project. I am going to put it, I think, onto the Christmas tree. I'm going to put that my little angels, I want them there on the top. You will be able to see them. They're very small, but it's just a little, let's just get that one off. We're going to place her, we're going to somewhat just place her there. And then we're going to take this little one that says Peace on Earth. Don't get sticky. That's a little boo-boo, but you can't see them. Just sticking them up. And that is how it looks when it's done. I think I just need to get out of the light so that we can actually see how it looks when it is. Just turn this off. Something else. I just want to quickly let it stand up straight. Oh, sorry about that. That is how it's gonna look. Unfortunately, it's nighttime here now, so the light is not very bright. But I think it's working. I like it. I think it looks nice. If you go in closer, you will be able to see the little stickers that I've put up.